Hey everyone, we're here in Starkey Ranch today at the beautiful Bimini floor plan by Taylor Morrison. It's 6 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, just under 4,200 square feet, starting in the low 500s. It's an amazing home. Let's check it out.
And here is the stunning exterior of the Bimini. You'll notice it has a tile roof, beautiful front porch, and a lot of stonework that really give it that extra detail that Taylor Morrison loves to strive for. And here's the entryway. As you see, it's a very open concept with a beautiful chandelier. To the left, we're going to go into the dining room. Beautiful woodwork, tray ceilings, and just details galore. Off to the right, we have the office area. As you see, the woodwork continues, just giving it that beautiful detail. And it's something you don't get to see in every home. So even in something like an office, it's just a beautiful thing to see and really just gives it that extra pop when you come in. We go down the hallway to the right and we have a powder bathroom. And this takes us into the very open living room. It has 2-story feel just to make it feel that much larger. Beautiful chandeliers and a really amazing work on the main wall. This takes us into the stunning kitchen. 2 islands make it perfect for hosting. And for you cooks out there, this is the kitchen that you've dreamed for. Gas appliances, beautiful backsplash, has a built-in oven that you will see here shortly, and a small connected dining space such breakfast nook. You can just picture yourself serving the kids and the family in the morning. This takes us over to the butler pantry that adjoins to the dining room, gives you that much extra storage, someplace for the coffee maker or anything you want to use. Now we go into the master bedroom, which is on the first floor, just off the side of the living room. See a beautiful view of your outside deck that we'll explore later, and an absolutely stunning master bathroom. Has double vanities, another soaking tub, and a large frameless walk-in shower. We have walk-in closets that have the built-ins. It really helps maximize your storage. That's an upgrade that this model has in all the closets, and it's absolutely perfect to move into. So we're at the top of the stairs, and this is a giant loft that could really be used for about anything. As you see, more detailed woodwork, which really gives this house all the fine details. And we actually have an adjoining bonus room connected by French doors. They have this set up as a media room, but you can imagine this as a playroom or any number of uses for you and your family. Now we come to a few secondary bedrooms. Here's another one of the secondary bedrooms that, as you can see, really is quite spacious. They have 2 beds set up here with still plenty of room to spare. And we do have an adjoining bathroom. Now this is another bedroom that is set up as an office. Again, beautiful woodworking, and just shows you all the space that this house has that it can be used for just about anything. Now, a beautiful catwalk connects 2 more bedrooms. To the left, we have the enormous living space. And to the right, the foyer, where you could really give a guest a surprise hello from up here. And here's a little bit of bonus space. They have a desk area, but use your imagination and you can put anything here. Now here are the two larger guest bedrooms. First one off to the left, and the second bedroom off to the right. The bedrooms are connected by Jack and Jill bathrooms with walk-in closets. Both have very large vanities, so whether these are used as kids' bedrooms or for guests, no one will be disappointed. Now we're back down in the luxury outdoor space. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor living. Huge covered area for those who don't want to bask in the sun and prefer to grill on the gourmet kitchen. The pool is stunning with a negative edge hot tub, water features just to give you perfect ambience. And if you notice, the picture frame screen with no bars really allows you to take in the conservation view the way it was meant to be. We even have more seating area over here due to all the space.
Hope you all enjoyed this tour of the beautiful Bimini floor plan by Taylor Morrison and Starkey Ranch. If I can answer any questions about this home or any others, please don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Keith Jamison. I'm with the Jamison team at Likely Real Estate, and I'm opening the door to your next home.